Welcome to our step-by-step guide on setting up a bookkeeping system, tailored for both manual and computerized systems. Whether you're a small business owner or simply managing personal finances, understanding these foundations is crucial. Let's dive in. First, decide on the type of system suitable for you. A manual bookkeeping system involves recording transactions by hand, using ledgers and journals. It's cost-effective and gives you a tangible way to track finances. Manual bookkeeping can be slow and error-prone, while computerized is fast and efficient. Once you've chosen your system, you need to set up your chart of accounts. This is a comprehensive list of all the financial accounts in a company's general ledger. For both systems, ensure you have categories like assets, liabilities, income, expenses, and equity. Next, establish a reliable method for tracking income and expenses. In a manual system, create distinct journals for sales, purchases, and cash transactions. You'll record entries in a methodical manner, summing up totals for accuracy. In a computerized system, input transactions into the software, which will automatically generate the necessary records and balances. Don't forget about payroll accounting if you have employees. Record wages, taxes, and other deductions meticulously to avoid compliance issues. This can be more efficiently managed with computerized systems, which often come equipped with payroll features. Setting a schedule for regular reconciliations is also important. This means comparing your books with bank statements to detect discrepancies. Whether manual or computerized, routine reconciliations help maintain accuracy and trust in your bookkeeping. Finally, consider the need for a system that evolves. Your business could grow, necessitating additional features. Computerized systems are scalable and can adapt with ease, while manual systems may require significant restructuring. In summary, each system has its benefits and drawbacks. Manual is low-cost and straightforward, but labor-intensive and error-prone. Computerized is efficient and scalable, but may be expensive and difficult to master initially. Choose the one that aligns best with your needs and resources. Thanks for watching.